Are you concerned about the pigeon nesting underneath your solar panel, causing potential damage, creating mess around the edges of the house? Most of the cases, a big mess around the boundaries of the house. Most importantly, it reduces the solar panel energy production as well. I know majority of the people don't even face this problem, but the one who does face this serious issue because these birds multiply very quickly. In fact, if you destroy their nest, and they tend to come back again and again, try to make their house anywhere at the same place. So if you don't want to destroy the bird nest, and then the bird nest while installing the solar panel is the solution, or maybe afterward, because you never know, which roof the bird's going to make the house. Could be your one, next one. Now, small disclaimer, I'm not making this video to promote any brand or a bird mesh products here, because there are some other ways available in the market to get rid of this. We have used this one, so I'm making the video on this one. Again, if you like the video, please do subscribe the channel, like, and share the channel as well. And in the comment section also, if you can put the other ways how you guys have dealt with this problem, if you had such kind of issues in your area or at your roof. Also, if you have any suggestion, please do comment as well, because your comment I will read and reply. That will give me more motivation. In this video, we are talking about the bird mesh and the benefit, installation process, estimate cost, and some consideration as well. Now, first talk about the problem. The bird dropping causes shading and reduces the panel efficiency. Nesting material damaging wirings and components, increases the maintenance requirement and potential long-term damage as well. So the solution is this bird mesh, like this, like a protective barrier preventing the birds from accessing the space underneath the solar panel. As a result, it ensures that the panels operates at their peak efficiency and say goodbye to the frequent cleaning and a potential damage caused by the bird activities. Because regular cleaning up of pigeon dropping can cost homeowner and a business owner $100s of dollars as well every year. Also, pigeon dropping and nesting material can clog drain and cause a gutter to start getting rusted from the inside out as well. Let's talk about how to install this. If you are not getting this installed at the day of a solar panel installation, then I would highly recommend to get this done by the professional company who does this. Make sure you turn off the solar, because a lot of factors you need to consider while you're installing this with the safety point of view. If you are in Australia and if you need any recommendation in your in your state, then put some request on the comment section. Our team will contact you and share some recommendation from our side. So if you are doing by yourself, firstly measure the space and the area that determines how much the mesh is required. Secondly, make sure you remove all the nesting things and clean up the panels properly. Lastly, install the bird mesh in such a way and that it's tied around everywhere. That is why I was recommending the professional person. There are so many online shops or physical shops where you can go and buy this bird mesh, which is very easy to install as well. It comes with the clips, and if you can make your own mesh as well by cutting aluminium mesh as well. Some of the quality mesh, it comes with a 5 to 10 year warranty as well. So cost wise, I reckon on an average installing a bird mesh around this solar array, it could range around $500 to $1,500 if I talk about the 15 or 16 panels. Also depend upon how complex the design, how many stories, mess and dirt around the area which people have to clean before they install this. Now, in terms of any disadvantage which I can think of, I would say human sentimental, which is understandable, because one of my clients doesn't want to remove any bird mesh underneath the panels. She doesn't like that we are removing their houses and such kind of thing, but it may cause a lot of problem in future. Second thing, maybe the price, because sometimes it may cost a lot of money, because it depends on the circumstances and how much effort is required to fix this. Now, apart from this, I think it's a great solution. So hopefully, if you guys like the video, and please like and share and subscribe the channel and put some comments. Thank you so much.